Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these extremely easy Cajun crab legs recipe. This recipe is so easy to make and extremely flavorful. Before I show you guys how to make it, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, if it was helpful, and let's jump right into the recipe. All right, take a quick look of all the ingredients. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. I'm using smoked paprika, ground black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, coriander, a little bit of lemon pepper, onion and garlic powder, minced garlic, hot sauce, some lemon wedges, 1 bay leaf, chopped onion, fresh parsley, and of course the butter. I'm using unsalted butter. I like to use Dungeness crab. That's what I'm using today. However, you can use any type of crabs that you like. You can even make some shrimp boil with this seasoning as well, because I know I'm going to get some questions regarding that. So let's begin. All right. First thing first, we're going to start by boiling the crab legs. Now the crab legs are already cooked. You just need to steam them and make them hot basically. So to boil them, I am going to add some seasoned salt to the water, cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Once the water started to boil, I am going to place the crabs in there. Also, I'm going to be using some lemon juice in there as well, and I'm going to add that lemon in there, cover it, and allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that is nice and done, you are going to remove the crab legs and set them aside. Now, because the sauce doesn't require a lot of time, the crab legs should be fine sitting there, or you can just cover it for now. Now I am going to make my Cajun sauce. I am using 1 cup of butter. I am going to allow that to melt. Once melted, we are going to add the onions and as well as the minced garlic. You're going to cook that for about like 10 seconds, and then you are going to add the remaining of the dry seasonings. So now I am going to add the dry seasoning. I added the Old Bay, smoked paprika. I am adding ground black pepper. I'm adding the onion and garlic powder. Even though we add that in there, it gives it a stronger onion and garlic powder taste. I'm adding the coriander, lemon pepper to give it that zesty, that sourness. Also, we're going to give that a stir. I am also adding some red hot sauce. It's just going to give it some vinegary. It's not going to be hot. Now, if you want it to be spicy, just add some cayenne pepper to this. However, the hot sauce did not make it spicy at all. I am going to add some lemon juice in there, give it a stir. Also, I added the bay leaf. Now, I like to add a little bit of chicken broth in there. I did ended up adding some chicken broth. Now, I'm going to add some fresh parsley, give it a stir, and the sauce is done. It's ready. It's very quick to make. So now you can either add the crab legs in the pot, or you can pour the sauce over, which is what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to pour the sauce all over the crab legs. I'm talking to you guys right now and my mouth is just watering right now. It looks so good. I just can taste it. Like, it looks so good. Now I'm going to garnish with some fresh parsley and add some lemon wedges, and this is the outcome. It looks so good, it smells good, it tastes amazing. It was extremely easy to make. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. If it was helpful to you, please don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know. Also, if you have not done so already, subscribe so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.